Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're looking at I think this is a 2012 11-inch MacBook Air. This is my sister's old laptop. We're going to be cleaning this up and preparing it to sell. She hasn't used this thing in a couple years. It's just been sitting around. I got to figure out what all this stuff on the top is. It's been in a drawer, I think, and stuff's been sliding around on the top of it. So I've got some electronics cleaner here. We're going to see if we can't get that wiped off, see if it will wipe off. Looks like with a little bit of scrubbing it will indeed come off. So we're going to get this thing cleaned up and updated to Catalina. This does support Catalina natively. We're going to get it all cleaned up and ready for sale. I'm just going to put it on eBay. I don't know exactly how much I'm going to list it for. I've got to look and see what the going rate for one of these is. It's in pretty good condition other than that. I think that was like some rubber feet or something on top of it, whatever else was in the drawer with it, just sliding around. So we're going to get it all cleaned up, like I said, updated, and just make sure everything is good on it, and put it up on eBay. So I'm going to get the top of it all washed off and cleaned off. See how the bottom's not too bad at all. Like I said, it's in fairly good condition. I think the battery has fairly low cycles on it. I think it's dead right now, like I said. Been sitting around. I haven't powered it on in a little bit. But while it's dead, yeah, you get the little battery icon right there. While it's dead, though, it won't power on. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the keyboard with this towel while it won't do anything. Clean off the screen, get everything cleaned off, and then while I'll charge it, power it up, update it, and I'll come back and let you guys know what is up. Alright guys, I got the MacBook Air here set back up. Everything is good. We're running on Catalina now. So just to go over the specs now that we are powered up and the battery is charged. This is a 11-inch mid-2012, I just said 11-inch. It's an 11-inch mid-2012 MacBook Air with the 1.7 gigahertz dual-core Intel Core i5, 4 gigabytes of RAM, the Intel HD Graphics 4000, and it is the 64 gigabytes of flash storage model. This was, I want to say, the base model back in 2012. My sister used this through, I think, the end of middle school into high school, and now that she is off to college, she has a 15-inch 2017 or 2018 MacBook Pro, so something a little bit newer. This one has just been sitting around since then, since she hasn't been using it. So I've cleaned it up. We're going to go ahead and list it on eBay. I've done some research. These look like they're going for about $250 to $400 on eBay for this year for the 11-inch. Now some of those vary. They're the i5s, but they vary in the 8GB RAM to 128 gigabytes of storage models. So they are a little bit higher end on the $400 side of things. I'm probably going to list this for about $300 and accept offers. I'll probably take anywhere from between $200 and $300 just because it's been sitting around. There's no reason to try to make any money off of it. It's just something I need to let go. And then I'm going to get a little bit of the money for cleaning it up and everything, and the rest is going to go to her. So 2012 MacBook Air, very good condition. Let's pull up the system profile real quick and we will see how many battery cycles this thing has on it. I don't think it's very many at all. She didn't use it very much. Yeah, 146 cycles on the battery, so that is nothing. I think these are rated for about 500 to 1,000 if I remember correctly. So anywhere between like 100 and 300 is pretty low usage, especially for something this age. It holds a charge pretty well, so no issues there. But that is the 2012 MacBook Air. Nice to see that cleaned up and ready to go. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.